In today's video, we're going to discuss muzzle flip and why we need to stop it immediately. Because it's killing our accuracy. When that weapon moves up and down and we're not in control of it, it's causing our front post to not be exactly where it needs to be. See, to be consistent with a pistol, you have to let that weapon rise and fall as little as possible and just get back on target each time. So in this video today, we're going to discuss muzzle flip and we're going to discuss how you guys can eliminate it and become more accurate with a pistol. We'll be right back. Hey guys, John the firearms instructor. Thank you so much for watching this video, but I need a little support from you guys. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, the like, and the subscribe button. What you're doing when you do that, you're helping a family-owned business like mine succeed in YouTube. But every time we upload a video just like this one, you'll be the next to know. Let's get back to this video. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is I have pre-videoed a slow motion of a bad grip. I am not high on the tang. I've got loose grip, I've got loose hand. I just want you to see how much muzzle rise I'm getting, and then we're going to demonstrate a solid positive grip I teach you every week, and I want you to see the difference between the two, and you will try to see why we need to eliminate muzzle flip. It's going to really improve our accuracy. We need to stop the muzzle flip as quick as we can, and when we have muzzle flip, we're not consistent on where the sight system lands, and then we cut the shot. That makes our bullets wider. So enjoy this slow motion film here, and then we'll show you high speed stuff as well, or regular speed I should say, and then let you see this full video. We'll be right back. Hey, what you're witnessing right here is muzzle flip. This is a true accuracy killer. 99% of shooters have some kind of muzzle flip because they're not controlling the pistol. If you look at my grip, I have a poor grip on the firearm. I'm gapping at the trigger well. I got my finger all the way in the gun. I'm letting my wrist break. All of these things cause muzzle flip, and it is a true accuracy killer. In today's video, we're going to solve muzzle flip. We're going to give you the techniques to make the weapon stay level and make you more accurate. So here's me holding the pistol properly with high on the tang, fingers below the trigger well, good tip of the finger in the weapon, good smooth trigger press, keeping the weapon level. This is 10 shots showing you how you can control muzzle flip. Well, you can definitely tell the difference between the slow motion and me running those 10 rounds. You can see how the pistol is level, it stays level, which keeps your sight in focus at all times. Muzzle flip is an accuracy killer. It's not hard to stop. We got to get a good grip on the firearm. We can't be losing anything. I talked to you guys about driving with your chest muzzle, closing your hands up, and getting a decent trigger press instead of working that whole finger in. It's the tip of the finger. It's not a lot of stuff, but if you get muzzle flip happening, it's hard to solve it. This video today kind of defines the muzzle flip, lets you visually see it and understand why it's causing so much problems. Listen, I'm John the firearms instructor. I specialize in you, and I put videos like this together on a regular basis. I'm going to ask you for some support, if you don't mind, by hitting the bell icon, the like, and the subscribe button. I only want you to do that if you found some value in this video. If you found value, just go ahead and let us know. You can comment below. We try to answer all of our comments. And if you want to get more information like this, we have the school community which is in the links down below. It allows you to work with me for 4 weeks to master your handgun once and for all. We have a 4-week masterclass, and we need the ebook that goes with it, absolutely free. Costs you nothing but time. We have a Monday night call for the school community every week. There's about close to 500 students right now from all over the world working with me to get their accuracy to the next level. If you're a dry fire and you've been dry fired, this is our dry fire insert. It's in the link down below. It allows you to put this in your magazine and allow you to rack the slide without it going to slide lock. It will help you tremendously get down that trigger press, because that trigger press is our most important thing we've got to work on. A good trigger press is all you need to be accurate with a firearm. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense. How bad is your muzzle flip? We'll see you, folks.